Hey there, today we're checking out the electric spin scrubber, a cordless cleaning brush designed to make your chores easier. This powerful tool spins at 420 RPM and offers dual speed settings for customized cleaning power. It comes with 9 replaceable brush heads to tackle every surface from bathroom tiles to kitchen counters. The adjustable and detachable handle lets you reach tight spots and clean floors without bending over. Whether you're scrubbing tubs, floors, or even your car, this scrubber saves time and effort. Its cordless design means no hassle with cords getting in the way. Get ready to enjoy a sparkling clean home with less work and more convenience. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.